Understanding, have a swelled head, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase, have a swelled head. This idiom might sound a bit strange at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand not just its meaning, but also how and when to use it. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery behind having a swelled head. Have a swelled head is an idiom in the English language used to describe someone who is very proud or too confident about their abilities or achievements, to the point of arrogance. It paints a picture of someone whose head has physically swelled up because of their inflated ego. This phrase is often used in a slightly negative or teasing context, pointing out when someone's pride has perhaps gone a bit too far. The phrase, have a swelled head, comes from the visual metaphor of someone's head swelling with pride. This idiom has been used since the late 19th century and taps into the idea that too much pride or self-importance can make someone oblivious to their limitations or the reality around them. It's a colorful way to remind people to stay humble. Understanding how to use an idiom correctly can be a bit tricky, so here are some examples to help you get the hang of it. After winning the competition, he's had a swelled head and thinks he's the best in everything. She didn't mean to have a swelled head, she was just really excited about her promotion. Be careful not to get a swelled head from all these compliments. Remember, teamwork made it possible. These examples show that the phrase can be used to describe behavior resulting from success, achievement, or even just excessive praise. It's important to know when not to use, have a swelled head. Avoid this phrase in formal situations, as idioms can make your language seem less professional. Also, be cautious when using it directly with someone, as it might come off as offensive or rude. Instead, use it among friends or in a light-hearted context. And there you have it, a closer look at the idiom, have a swelled head. We hope this video has not only clarified its meaning and usage but also added an interesting expression to your English repertoire. Remember, idioms are a fun way to spice up your language and understand the culture behind it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning content. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.